Don't touch my crown. They see the vision I've found.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's J Shelby. Today, y'all, we're talking about this wig right here. Okay, first things first. This wig is from DIVATRESS.com. Hence the loveliness. The style name is Halle, and the color. Sorry, I have to look at this paper here. The color is 2T 425. Okay, so this wig comes with the 6-inch Swiss lace parting. Yeah, this is a lace front wig as well. And it has to be like 28 inches because it comes right to my waist, kind of, sort of. Yeah, right to my waist. So it has to be like 28 inches. If you don't know already, I'm 5'6.5". It is heat resistant fiber, up to 400 degrees, so you can flat on it. This wig is bomb, y'all. So what I did to lay this wig down, so I just cut the lace off. I did pluck the part a little bit, and I added some baby hair. So I did use my lace glue to lay it down. Will be in the description box along with everything else. I did use my lace glue to lay it down, and I used my Gots to be to create the baby hairs. It has been my all day look. I've worn this since, actually I put this on last night. I slept in it, I put it in, tied it down, and then I wore it to work all day. So yo, that's a good amount of time. I think this is a good 24 hours. Yeah, so this is how the wig looks 24 hours later. On this wig all day. The only thing is right now the sides are lifting up because the lace glue has worn off, and this one hasn't. This is actually still stuck, and my baby hairs are still intact. Like, I haven't touched those at all. I haven't had to touch them up at all. So as far as the hair itself, child. So this is a synthetic wig for anyone that does not know. So it does get tangly through the day. So with this wig in particular, y'all, to be quite honest with y'all, it does have the tendency of tangling up, but it's not like a bad tangle as to where people can tell. This is really like wavy hair, so it doesn't look bad when it tangles up. Like, no one can tell unless you like try to run your fingers through it. That's the only way someone else can tell. And yeah, you kind of get stuck in the hair a little bit, but that's common because it is synthetic hair, you know. But yeah, that's the only con with it. Oh, and it does shed a little bit. So let me show you my brush. This is the first time I actually brushed my hair all day, just before I filmed this. Being as though I haven't brushed it all day, I mean, that's not really that much, but that might be quite a bit for a few. See, right now, this is a prime example. It don't look bad, but if you run your fingers through it, you're gonna have a tough time getting through. Yeah, it's that type of hair. But it's cute though. I just wouldn't wear this every day of the week. You know, it's not that type of synthetic wig. Like 1 or 2 days out the week, and that's exactly what I did for this week. I wore it Monday, and then I wore it today. I just wore my other little everyday wig throughout the week, but Monday and today I wore it. And yeah, Monday was the first day I took it out the package. But I like this wig, y'all. And I'm a redhead. Like, what more can you ask for? Like, this color is bomb on my skin tone. And this wig comes in many other colors. So let me go down the list. So it comes in 1, 1B, 2, 4, 2T /27, 2T /30, 2T /425, which is this color right here. S1B /30, S4 /30, DX3033, and DX425. But I really do like this red color. Like, this is really cute, and it's not too shiny like how most synthetic hair is. It looks like a virgin hair. Like, this hair is bomb. I love it. Hey you guys, that's pretty much all I had for this hair here. But make sure you check out the wigs on DIVATRESS.com. Everything will be in the description box, link to this wig and the link to my other videos that I did with DIVATRESS wigs as well. So go check those out. You can check out the last one that I did up here, so make sure you check that out. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel before you click off this video. Okay? Alright, we on the road to 5,000, okay? 5,000 subscribers. Like, y'all need to get me there because I feel like I deserve it. Like I'm putting y'all D with these affordable wigs. Like, the least y'all can do is subscribe to my channel and like some videos and watch some videos, you know. But until next time, y'all, I will see you guys later.